In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add animations to your text in the Wix editor. This is a simple yet powerful technique to make your website really stand out, grab attention, and keep your visitors engaged. So let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to open your Wix editor and navigate to the text that you want to animate. Once you've pinpointed your desired text element, simply click on it. When you do this, a small menu bar will magically appear right next to your text. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Animations. Go ahead and give that a click. Upon clicking, you'll be greeted by an entire panel brimming with a variety of animation options. This is where the magic happens. You have the ability to choose from several types of animations. First up, we have entrance animations. These animations dictate how your text will appear on the page as it loads, adding a touch of dynamism right from the start. Next, we have looping animations. These are designed to repeat themselves, drawing continuous attention to your text. They're perfect for highlighting specific elements you don't want your visitors to miss. And then there are scrolling animations. As the name suggests, these are triggered as users scroll through your site, offering a delightful surprise to users navigating through your content. Finally, we come to mouse effects, which react to cursor movements. This interactivity can really engage your users, inviting them to explore more as they interact with your site. Within these categories, you can further personalize each animation. You have options to adjust the speed, tweak the duration, and select a style that perfectly suits your design vision. For those looking for something with a bit more pizzazz, you can even combine entrance and looping animations for a more dynamic effect. However, it's important to note that scroll and mouse effects are designed to stand alone and can't be combined with those other animations. One crucial tip when adding animations is to maintain balance. Animations are indeed fun and can be incredibly engaging, but it's crucial to use them wisely. A well-placed animation can effectively guide visitor attention and make your website look sleek and professional. But overloading your site with animations can actually overwhelm the design and detract from the user experience. And that's a wrap. You've just learned how to add captivating animations to your text in Wix, transforming your website into a more interactive and visually appealing space. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy animating.